Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Tonight we're going to be doing a TOURNEDOS ROSSINI.
Rossini. Is this the same guy that wrote William Tell and The Barber of Seville?
Tonight's it's a TOURNEDOS ROSSINI. I got some beautiful filet mignon here that I cleaned up and then of course I tied up. Black truffles of course for the Demi Glaze with some fresh pure beef stock and Madeira wine. And then of course I got some fingerling potatoes, Foie Gras, which is a canard, and I made bread. And then we're going to do the demi-glace with shallots, garlic, and some white radish and thyme, of course. All right, here's all the stuff. Let's at it. Everything's prepped and ready to go, and now it's time to make the demi-glaze. First, of course, is garlic. And then we're going to put in the white radish, shallots, cook them down. Then we're going to add the beef stock minus the fat. I pulled that out of the fridge just right before so the fat stays in it. Yeah. And then you're going to strain that. And then, of course, you're going to push out all the excess fluids. And then reduce that 50%. And then you're going to add in your Madeira wine. Strain that. And then add the truffles and your thyme aromatics. This process takes a good 40 minutes anyways, but as you can see, the Madeira wine, the sweetness of it thickens it up and makes it an absolutely beautiful demi-glaze. And while the potatoes are cooking, we got some chocolate mint, some lavender, and thyme that we're going to add to the butter and get it ready for the meat.
Oh, there you can see it.
We have our side dish of bok choy and fingerling potatoes with a little lime and salt on them. And then, of course, our toast points on our plate, ready to suit up. First thing, of course, is putting the filet down, and then the foie gras, who's just sitting in there for a minute. We put that on top of the steak, and then with the truffles and all the demi-glaze, and then we're going to dress it up with some beautiful bee balm and lavender florets. Fingerling potatoes with bok choy, dressed with lime and salt, and then, of course, toast points with our filet mignon, our canard foie gras, and our beautiful truffle demi-glaze. Okay, people, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.